Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in DoniFix. In today's video we're gonna show how to replace an LCD in Samsung Galaxy A20e. So first of all, we're gonna remove the SIM card, and after that we're gonna open the back. So let's see the process. It's an important step to remove the card because in some cases you can break it or you can damage it more. To remove the back, you can use a plain guitar or something, a plastic or metal, it's not a problem, but with the metal you can damage the back, so be careful in these cases. Don't forget, we have a fingerprint in the back of the phone, so be careful with that. Press it a little bit and it will go down. After this process, we have to remove all the screws. They are there with a Phillips screw. I suggest you guys to organize the parts because it's an important step, because after this process you have to re-put them in the place where they were. As we always say, it's an important step to remove the battery first, and after that you work with other elements. You can use your fingers or metal to remove the battery. So let's remove the other elements and take the motherboard off. Sorry. And other parts. Don't forget to organize them. It's a good way. Let's remove the antennas and other parts. Be careful with the antennas, you can break them if you squeeze them. Sorry. And here's the charging port. To remove all the other elements, the speaker, the volume button and everything else, the buzzer and the battery, you need to use a heat gun, or you need to use the heat gun or hair dry, whatever, to heat that, and after that you can remove. The LCD we got, it has the on-off button, it has by its own, so no need to replace it. Sorry guys. Let's remove the battery. Okay, let's remove the buzzer and the speakers first. And after that, we remove the battery. You can use a plastic card because it has a sticker there, and it helps. So this is it. After this process, you have to reassemble all the parts in the new LCD. But in cases when you have only the LCD without the housing, you have to remove the LCD with heat gun by heating up in front of the LCD with 200 degrees, about 2 to 3 minutes, and needs the same process. But you have to stick the LCD with glue. But if you have any question or suggestion, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it, of course. So let's put the parts one by one. Don't forget any part because maybe the client would be upset with you. So, or if you're working for yourself, so you need to put them all to work properly. So first let's put the charging port. Careful with the antennas, as I said, because it's important. But first of all, as we always say, we're gonna test the LCD first, and after that we're gonna assemble it in finish mode. So we have to test the LCD first. Always, guys, don't skip this part because it's an important thing. These antennas thing are a little bit difficult to put them, but we're gonna make it. And okay, where are you going, my friend? Okay, it's alright, it's okay. So let's put the on-off button and the volume button. They are together. Let's test the LCD by putting the battery and let's turn on the phone and test it. If it's everything okay, we test the LCD. Oh, it doesn't have battery, so we need to charge it a little bit to test it. Someone is here, so no worries, guys. It's the door that makes the noise. So let's turn on the phone and we're gonna use the code that we always use in Samsung. So let's test the touchscreen and the lights. And it looks everything okay, I think. Yeah, it looks everything okay. This is it, guys. So let's install the old things in the proper way. And before this step, we're gonna stick the battery with a double-side glue. So because these stickers are not too sticky, so let's put something else that it helps. No need to put that much stick, so it's okay. always put the connectors first and then the last one is the battery, because sometimes may make a crash or something, so careful with that. Let's put the screws one by one, because you can't put 2x2, so I think this is it, guys. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question or suggestion, as I said, comment down below. If you don't understand something, ask me in the comments or in my address, in my email. So this is it, guys. I think we're done. This is the last process. We put the back glass, the back cover, sorry, and we crack it. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.